Today we've got a Maruti S-Cross. We have planned to install a complete ALPINE setup with R-series component speakers and J-series woofers, S-series amplifier and R-series mono amplifier. You can see the S-series amplifier by ALPINE and the mono amplifier of R-series. Look at the build quality of the product. These are intelligent amplifiers. When we say it's intelligent amplifier, they have a very less tendency to get into thermal protection. The output is very clean, the signal output is very clean, pretty loud. The finish quality of the product is fantastic. We are using the Pioneer head unit. We started off the work around afternoon. Started with the removing of the company given speakers and the player. Keeping in mind all the entire installation is plug and play, socket to socket, no wire cutting. We're almost done with the damping and the installation of the R-series components. You can see the fiberglass cones. One thing I would like to say, when we talk about a car audio equipment, the car audio equipment should be like an investment. These are the water guards. The high-end component speakers are protected with water guards. The precious equipment is protected. So treat the car audio equipment as an investment. Retain it. The product, the components, the speakers, the amplifiers, all of a very high quality provided by ALPINE. So need to respect the equipment, install it in the way it should be installed. You can see the amplifiers are installed on a proper amp rack, properly designed for the amplifiers. Woofers are installed in a sealed enclosure. Look at the finish and the quality of the woofer. These are 300 RMS, clean and loud playing woofers. It's almost done. You can see how the amplifiers are installed. This increases the life of the equipment by installing in the right place in the right way.
DJ